Hey friends, today Andrew and I are going to be chatting about how AI is impacting the real estate transaction and what buyers and sellers can actually do with artificial intelligence to enhance their decision making in a real estate transaction. Andrew, how are you seeing clients that you're working with in the field? How are they interacting with AI and how are you observing it as their agent?
Yeah, they are using it. Kevin, that's a great question. Some of them are using ChatGPT, but we know that is just an algorithm. It doesn't give them all the information. That's what it's great to talk to a professional. They are looking at properties and they're trying to ask them questions through this platform, but I really feel talking to a professional is the way to go.
100%. Obviously, Chat and Claude, they're both really amazing tools and can help with a lot of different things, but getting specific information about a real estate transaction, I've actually had clients copy and paste responses from Claude or Chat that were just honestly humorous to me because my response was, hey man, like you're not negotiating with me, I'm on your side. Let's talk about this and not use someone else to think for ourselves. Like, let's actually think. It's okay to get prompts and information and details from it, but don't let it replace your thinking. One of the things that I have been wildly successful with in terms of utilizing AI for myself in my real estate investment portfolio or just decisions generally speaking is utilizing an AI prompt. Now, if you're paying attention on social media or you're seeing these things online anywhere, you know that a lot of people are utilizing prompts. So like you can paste something into Chat or Claude and it's going to interview you. So I actually have an AI script. So just reply to this email or just comment below and let me know if you're interested. I'll send it to you. But basically what this script does is it interviews you as a real estate owner, and it's going to understand your finances, your family situation, your commutes, your career, all of those factors that impact making a real estate investment decision, making a decision to move your primary residence, whether it makes sense to sell, whether it makes sense to rent it, etc. And if you paste this prompt in there and you pour out information about all of your thoughts and feelings about all these different topics that it's going to ask you and interview you about, it's going to compile all of the details and information that you gave it and then basically give you a very detailed breakdown of what actually makes sense for you as a buyer or seller. And it's going to be an unbiased place. It's not going to be, hey, I'm talking to a realtor. The realtor just wants to sell my house or sell me another house. This is actual information. What is going to be the best decision for me from an unbiased source? A lot of times when people do that, they feel more comfortable just sharing information with the AI rather than sharing it with me as their friend, as their fiduciary advocate that wants them to get the best result. But they're able to get more clear. And the number one thing that successful people in real estate, people that seem to always be winning, they're always buying the right deal, they're always doing the right thing, those people have clarity on their decisions. They know why they're doing something, and it's always the right time when they do things because it's the right timing for their financial picture, for their family, for their career, etc. So if you're watching this and you're using AI, you don't know how to use it, you would like to get more clear on what real estate transaction makes sense for my life right now, reply back. I'll send you the prompt, and I'm very genuinely curious. Is it helpful? Does it help you get more clear on what you need to be doing to take your next steps? So as always, I'm here as your real estate advocate. Andrew is here as your advocate. If you are thinking about making a move and you would like to have a conversation with us, please reach out. You can schedule on my calendar directly, and we look forward to talking with you soon.